He's going
Okay. Oh no, come on, ready, Gino, seriously. Kid, what are you doing?
Surrounded by all the things that I need to cook the best. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a Wellington.
Oh, stop it.
Any Wellington.
You're going to show me how to make a Wellington? The closest you ever got to Wellington is on your freaking feet. The Wellington boots. Fish and chips. Oh no, come on. Stop it. Mushy, what are you doing? Gino, seriously, honestly. Have you been smoking again? Gino! Did you just take a bite and put it in the... You did. You dirty wee bar steward. I mean, seriously. Gino, stop it, really? You've even got your name on your apron. Is that in case you forget your own name? What's with the tongue? Oh, salt, mate. I mean, what? Oh, my goodness me. You sound like Freddy Krueger. What do you do with the mask? I'm too sick. Oh, my God, you're half naked. Is that Fredo's book? What are you doing? Oh, no, the pages are stuck together. Oh, Wellington. Oh, stop it. Show me the inside. Are you kidding me? You idiot! You idiot sandwich! Really?